According to the first information report presented by the DSS before a Katsina Chief Magistrate Court, one Isia Abubakar and a Lawal Abubakar, all of Kankara local government area, were arrested on the 14th of March 2019 and brought to the court on the 23rd October 2019. The two accused persons are charged with criminal conspiracy, kidnapping and belonging to the gang of thieves. But the Chief Magistrate Court say it lacks competent jurisdiction to try the offences. Thereafter, the Chief Magistrate ordered the two accused persons to be remanded at the Katsina Correctional Center pending filing of formal charges at a high court. While the two kidnapped suspects, Isia Abubakar and Lawal Abubakar, are awaiting trial at the Katsina Correctional Center on the 5th of March 2020, a motion seeking for their fundamental rights enforcement was filed by Barrister U.D. Farouk through one Suleiman, a litigation officer at the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria, Katsina office. And now the DSS is alleging that the trial of a Registrar of High Court No. 6, Abdullahi Salisu, and the Registrar of High Court No. 7, Muhammad Sani Yahya, as well as Barrister U.D. Farouk of the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria, are suspected to have falsified documents that led to the release of the two kidnapped suspects, Isiaku Abubakar and Lawal Abubakar.
A human rights lawyer, an employee of the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria, was arrested on the 24th day of March 2020 by operatives of the DSS Katsina Command on the allegations of conspiracy and attempt to wit kidnapping.
Court documents comprising a fake judge's ruling, false court order, bail bond and release order, all on behalf of Justice Baraka Wali, who was not around but away for a national assignment to Kogi State, were forged. Subsequently, on the 9th of March 2020, a forged order of release, which appeared to have been signed by the Chief Judge, was presented to the Katsina Correctional Center. But despite an alteration in the release order, which would have invalidated the release order, the two kidnapped suspects were eventually released and handed over to the bailiff in the presence of Barrister U.D. Farouk, who came to the Correctional Center within the same period. Amongst the forged documents is a letter of introduction from the district head of Ankara, where the suspects hailed from. But the district head says he did not issue, neither did he assign anyone to. But when the Department of State Service came to know about the release of the two kidnapped suspects, the Registrar of High Court 7, Muhammad Sani Yahya, was said to have made efforts to mischievously get a ruling on the said bail application, which was not officially assigned to the Court 7, but his efforts proved abortive because the legal assistant attached to the High Court 7 refused to cooperate. As soon as it came to the notice of the High Court, the Chief Judge of Katsina State wrote to the DSS to fully investigate, and also a 7-member committee headed by a High Court judge was formed for internal investigations. The two released kidnapped suspects and the shorty are still at large. But Katsina State branch of the Nigerian Bar Association is saying its member has not committed any offense, hence he should be released from the DSS detention.
U.D. Farouk acted as a legal practitioner, acted as a professional, representing clients who in the face of the law were termed indigent persons.
Katsina residents eagerly await the outcome of the committee set up by the Chief Judge of Katsina State on the involvement of its staff, even as lawyers await the release of Barrister U.D. Farouk.